Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome to my channel and my Thanksgiving 2018 Tablescape Tuesday video. I hope you enjoy. For this Tablescape video, I'm going to do things a little bit differently than I have done them in the past. I'm going to show you how I build my tablescape from the base on up. This will just be a centerpiece tablescape because I'm not actually having Thanksgiving at my house, so I'm not going to lay out any place settings. In the center of my table, I have this short runner. I got this at Pier 1 many years ago, and it is in a very neutral palette. That's what I'm going for with this tablescape. And the background, I'm going to try to get in close so you can see, but it's actually a little sparkly. I don't know if you're picking that up at all here, but there's some little gold flecks in there. And then there's beading and some applique work and some other embroidery type work. Most of this won't show, however, once I get the centerpiece built. On top of the runner, I am using this platter. It's oval in shape. I also got this from Pier 1. And I'm going to use that to hold all of the elements of the centerpiece. I'm starting with this large felted pumpkin in the middle, and then I'm going to add 2 more felted pumpkins to create a triangular shape on the platter. Here are the 2 other pumpkins I've added. Now I am going to take some pine cones and add them in similar positions behind the pumpkin. Then I want to add 1 more pine cone between these 2 smaller felted pumpkins to create balance from the other side. And then I am going to add 1 of these suede pumpkins from Target in between these 2 pine cones, not pumpkins, in between these 2 pine cones to balance it on this side. Now I'm just going to start filling in with some more of the Target suede pumpkins, as well as some of the little white ones that they had in the dollar spot. And when I'm all done, I will show you how it looks. Here's my finished Thanksgiving centerpiece tablescape. As you can see, I have added the candle holders I made for the Creative Candle Holders Challenge, which was just this past weekend. And I have added in, as I said, some of the Target suede pumpkins from the dollar spot, as well as some of the white and gold pumpkins that they had this year. Then I have also added in some of the painted leaves that I made. These are the dollar store green burlap leaves that I painted in another video, and those are also on the candle holders. And that's it. I also tried tucking some fall flowers in here that were in neutral colors, but I really liked how it looked without the flowers. If you like it without the flowers, leave me a comment down below. Sorry about the skipping. My phone's having trouble filming in here because it's quite bright. So here's a look at the other side. As you can see, I've grouped things in 2s and 3s, and I've tried to make somewhat of a triangular pattern with my colors. So I have a dark here, a dark here, dark here, and then I have a light here, a light back there, and a light here. And then I have also sprinkled in those smaller pumpkins as well. Now I know some people say you should group in odd numbers or groups of 3s. Well, I like to think of it more as groupings of prime numbers, because I think something that is by itself, like this little white pumpkin, it doesn't need to be grouped with the other 2 pumpkins there. But those 2 pumpkins look just fine together without a 3rd pumpkin in there. So prime numbers is what I like to do. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. And I guess you could go to 11 too if you want to be really picky about it. But that's how I like to think of it. Anyway, that's my Thanksgiving tablescape centerpiece. Actually, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. I got these wooden cutouts also from the Target dollar spot, and I sprinkled a few of them into the centerpiece. And now I'm happy with how it's turned out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home.